In this video, I want to discuss 3 upgrades that will increase your home's value. But first, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Dan Avanzato with North Star Mortgage. If you are looking for a pre-qualification or a pre-approval letter or looking to refinance depending upon where your rate is currently, please reach out to his information is on the screen. So what home upgrades will increase your value? There is a lot of speculation that really upgrading your home altogether is going to bring you the most value. And there are some upgrades that just do not bring much of a return on investment. So today I'm going to give you 3 upgrades that will increase your value. And number 1 is adding more square footage. You know, since the lockdown and everything shutting down, more people are wanting more space. And adding square footage is always a good thing if you have the ability to do so. That will increase maximum value. And the second upgrade is you have to really sharpen up your curb appeal. So I always like to have landscaping looking really fresh and crisp. And you want good perennials, things that come up annually. Every year, you want some greens such as bushes and some small trees. But you want to make sure that everything is neat and tidy and it just shows well from when you pull up from the street. And the third upgrade and my final upgrade is adding some outdoor living space. Like if you don't have a deck or a patio, it's always good to have the outdoor space that you need. So when you are grilling outside or spending time out in the sunny weather, it's always nice to have a nice patio or an upgraded deck. And they are truly the 3 upgrades that I think will bring maximum return on investment when you go to sell. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me or someone in my office, or you can shoot me an email. There is never any cost or obligation to do so. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.